Are you tired of waiting for success to knock at your door, asking your boss for a vacation, or making just enough money to cover your bills? This is your lucky day, because you're getting Celebration Factory's Etsy Shop Starter Pack, filled with tools, links, and support to open your shop in less than 1 hour. Best of all, the first 25 people to click the green link below and book a success call will get free one-on-one support with a power seller to build your own Etsy shop success strategy. We can help you with shop names, finding top-selling products, even matching you with specialists for anything from shop branding to product photography. So don't miss out and book that call. Imagine having full control over how much money you earn. Never having to ask a boss for days off again. Spending more time with family and friends and working your own hours from home or when traveling. Now you might be asking yourself, what can I sell? What if customers don't buy my products? What if I get in over my head? What if I fail? Having been through all the hurdles in building Celebration Factory to a 6-figure business, our Etsy Shop Starter Pack is based on tried and true methods to help you succeed. In fact, not only are you getting our Etsy Shop Starter Pack valued at $297 for free, but over the next 48 hours, we are gifting 25 women who are ready to build their dream business with an Etsy success coaching call to build your shop strategy. Click this link to book your invaluable free coaching call with Jeremy, Celebration Factory shop owner, and become one of the 25 women to make their Etsy shop dreams a reality. Your Etsy Shop Starter Pack includes a step-by-step PDF ebook to open your shop in 1 hour with the very companies we use for our shop success. Priceless information on how to find top-selling products in your niche. Optimal keywords to send organic traffic to your shop. Optional expert referrals ready to assist with everything from shop design, social media growth, product photography, advertising, and so on. If you feel like a pro ready to go, simply download your free PDF and get started. If you need a helping hand to success and you're just starting out, click the green link below this video to book your free coaching call, and let's get you one step closer to being an Etsy boss. See you on the inside.